Tips for perfectly seasoning your dishes every time, with a dash of humor. So, you have slaved away in the kitchen, chopping, stirring, sautéing, and now it is time to taste your masterpiece. You take a bite, and meh. It is like a flavorless void of sadness. What went wrong? Did your food get hit with the dreaded bland curse? Fear not, dear chef in training, because I have got the cure. It is called seasoning, and it is about to make your dishes sing like a culinary Broadway show. Let us spice things up, shall we? Start with good ingredients, or the best your budget can handle. Now, I know this might sound like a thirst moment, but hear me out. If you start with sad, wilted vegetables that look like they have been through a rough breakup, no amount of seasoning is going to save them. Think of it this way, you would not wear socks with holes to a fancy party, right? The same logic applies here. Fresh, high-quality ingredients are your VIP ticket to Flavor Town. So, splurge on that fancy olive oil and those organic herbs, your taste buds will thank you. Salt and pepper are just the beginning. Salt and pepper are like the Batman and Robin of the spice world. They are essential, sure, but there is a whole Justice League of flavors out there waiting to be discovered. Garlic powder? Yes, please. Paprika? Hello, smoky goodness. Come in? Get in my dish. Your spice rack is your secret weapon, and you are about to go full superhero mode in the kitchen. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so do not go overboard unless you want your dinner to taste like a spice explosion. Taste as you go, because nobody wants a surprise ending. Imagine watching a movie without checking the reviews first. Could be great, could be terrible. The same goes for cooking. Do not wait until the end to taste your food unless you enjoy living on the edge. Take a little nibble here, a little nibble there, consider it quality control. You are the boss of your kitchen, and bosses taste their creations. You might find that your soup needs a pinch more salt or your stew is begging for a dash of cayenne. Remember, it is all about balance, like a tightrope walker with a spice shaker. Experiment like a mad scientist, minus the explosions. Seasoning is an art, and like any great artist, you need to get a little wild sometimes. Think of your kitchen as a laboratory, and you are the mad scientist. Will a sprinkle of cinnamon work in your chili? Who knows? But you will never find out unless you try. And if it does not work out, well, you have got a great story for your next dinner party. Plus, it is a great excuse to order pizza, because even the best scientists have their off days. Salt substitutes, for when you are feeling healthy, but not too healthy. Alright, so you are trying to cut back on sodium because you heard it is better for your health. Good for you. But let us be honest, nobody wants to eat food that tastes like cardboard. Enter salt substitutes. They are like the stunt doubles of the seasoning world. They might not be the star of the show, but they get the job done. Just make sure to use them sparingly. Too much, and your dish might taste like it has been seasoned with battery acid. Not that I am speaking from experience or anything. Fresh herbs, the glam squad for your food. If dried herbs are the workhorses of the kitchen, fresh herbs are the glam squad that takes your dish from drab to fab. Basil, rosemary, thyme, these guys are like the red lipstick of the culinary world. Just a little bit can take your dish from meh to WOW. Did I make this? So next time you are roasting chicken, toss in a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. Or better yet, add some basil to your pasta and watch your taste buds do a happy dance. Trust me, fresh herbs are the glow up your food has been waiting for. Acid, the secret weapon you did not know you needed. Picture this, you have made a beautiful salad, but it is missing something. It is like a party without a DJ, sure, everything is there, but it is just not happening. Enter acid, the unsung hero of seasoning. A squeeze of lemon, a splash of vinegar, and boom, your dish goes from zero to hero. Acid brightens up flavors like a spotlight on a stage. It is the difference between a bland stir-fry and one that makes you want to lick the plate clean. So go ahead, get zesty with it. Fat, because everything tastes better with butter or olive oil. Fat is like the smooth jazz of the cooking world. It is rich, it is indulgent, and it makes everything taste better. A drizzle of olive oil, a pat of butter, and suddenly your dish is singing in harmony. But like smooth jazz, a little goes a long way. Too much, and your dish might start to feel more like a greasy spoon diner than a 5-star restaurant. So use fat wisely, and let it work its magic. Your taste buds will be grooving all the way to Flavor Town. Cook with love, it is not cheesy if it is true. Okay, I know this sounds like something you would see on a Pinterest board, but hear me out. When you cook with love, you are not just throwing ingredients together, you are creating something special. And yes, it really does make a difference. Take your time, enjoy the process, and put a little extra effort into your cooking. Your food will taste better, and who knows, you might even enjoy yourself along the way. After all, cooking is supposed to be fun, not a chore. So get in the kitchen and let your inner chef shine. Have fun, because if you are not laughing, you are doing it wrong. Last but not least, remember to have fun. Cooking is like a dance party in your kitchen. If you are not laughing, you are doing it wrong. Do not be afraid to make mistakes, because some of the best dishes come from happy accidents. And if all else fails, just remember, there is always takeout. So go ahead, experiment, laugh, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. Because at the end of the day, food is all about bringing people together and having a good time. And that, my friend, is something worth celebrating. Well, there you have it, a crash course in seasoning with a side of humor. If you enjoyed this video, and who would not, be sure to subscribe to our channel Cook Pros, like, share, and drop a comment. We love hearing from you, especially if you have got some seasoning tips of your own. Now get out there and start cooking, your taste buds will thank you. Happy cooking!